Once you conquer your selfish self, all your darkness will change to light. Rumi. When the yawns of humidity and cooler heat of pre-winter meet in the lap of a September morning, everyone can sense that autumn is just around the corner. When the lush green leaves begin to form a botanical rainbow, one instinctively knows they're about to fall. When the moisture from the air begins to yield and dryness dominates, it's understood that the season of the naked trees is at hand. The colorful changes in the landscapes display the mesmerizing tastes of the clandestine artist. It makes me wonder how beautifully the ultimate designer perceives it all. And even more amazingly, how it's all executed. One sees no scaffolds, no cranes, no paintbrushes, yet little by little, everything on the planet transforms, including the moods of its dwellers. The beats of autumn replace the drums of summer. Silence silently pervades the crowded beaches, and overflowing parks begin missing the hand-in-hand walks of couples in love. The shift in weather transforms the entire lifestyle of the people. The fading fragrance of the flowers and dormancy of the grass on the fairways announce the upcoming spell of cold and snow. This invites us to enjoy the outdoors as much as we can while it lasts. Being a persistent golfer, I enjoy the changes on the course in my attire and attitude. Although I don't like replacing shorts with golf pants, no one can escape the effects of the changing weather as long as one stays on Earth. Though I can't comment on eternal hibernation. Autumn, winter, spring, summer, storm, sunshine, sunrise and sunset only matter while we walk on Earth. Who cares what happens afterwards? Whether one ends up in heaven or hell, no one knows. Only the hells of this world seem more daunting and scornful. And the biggest fire of all is the fire of jealousy. No weather can release us from the hell of jealousy. Just as the rhythm of life keeps changing, the song of the universe remains the same. Variety is the wish of the living. Everything else in the universe follows a set pattern. Even though change makes matters more interesting and permanence is boring. Who knows, the nostalgic residents of eternal heavens might be missing out on their stay at the rugged earth. Maybe it's the fatality of life that makes it fertile. The constant renewal of living beings might have kept this planet young and fresh. I take comfort in the belief in life after death and the reality of death after life. That might be the ultimate metamorphosis we will ever go through. Let's hope for the best. Your journey will be much easier and lighter if you don't carry your past with you. Motivation app.